Hello student, myself is Lavkush Upadhyay and today I am going to start the topic cockroach. So cockroach, अगर बात की जाए cockroach की, if we discuss about the cockroach, the term cockroach derived from a Spanish word cucaracha. This word derived from a Spanish word cucaracha. Cockroach is a brown, black-bodied animal. Cockroach, the classification of cockroach. The kingdom of cockroach is animal. Phylum is Arthropoda. Class is Insecta. Subclass is Pterygota. After that, order is Orthoptera. After that, genus is Periplaneta and species is Periplaneta americana. The Periplaneta americana is a common cockroach. The smallest cockroach is Blatedilla germanica. This is the smallest cockroach. So this is about the classification of cockroach. Now I am going to discuss about the morphology of cockroach. Now, morphology of cockroach. If we discuss about the morphology of cockroach, this is the head region of cockroach. The body of cockroach can be divided into the following main parts. Number one is head, next is thorax, after that abdomen. So the body of cockroach can be divided into the three main regions: head, thorax and abdomen. This is head region of cockroach. Now this is thorax region of cockroach. The thorax region of cockroach can be divided into three main regions. Number one is prothorax, after that mesothorax, after that metathorax. This is head region of cockroach. This is prothorax. After that mesothorax. After that metathorax. After that abdomen. This is cockroach. There are 10 segments in the cockroach. There are 10 segments in the abdomen area. The total number of segments in the cockroach is 14. This is prothorax. This is a particular segment of cockroach. This is mesothorax. After that, metathorax. After that, the next region of cockroach, that is abdomen. The abdomen region of the cockroach having 10 major segments. This is abdomen of cockroach. After that, in the cockroach having 3 pair of legs, first pair of leg arise from prothorax region. Second pair of leg arise from mesothorax region. And third pair of leg arise from metathorax region. There is pair of wings that is arise from metathorax region and prothorax and mesothorax region. This region, this wing is hind wing. This is forewing, which name is tegmen. That is completely dark colored. The hind wing is completely transparent and help in flying of the cockroach. Sometimes this tegmen can cover the whole abdomen area of the cockroach. Mouth parts of cockroach, mouth or head region of the cockroach. The mouth of the cockroach is hypoganthus type. Hypoganthus type mouth in cockroach. It directly means the head region of the cockroach lie at the 90-degree angle with respect to the body of cockroach. The head region of the cockroach lie at the right angle with respect to the body of cockroach. So the mouth is hypoganthus type or the head region is the hypoganthus type. Now mouth parts of cockroach. There are mainly following mouth parts of cockroach. Number 1 is labrum. This is also be known as upper lip of cockroach. After that, labium, that is lower lip of cockroach. After that, mandible, that is upper jaw of cockroach. After that, maxilla, that is lower jaw of cockroach. Beside that, in the cockroach having hypopharynx, or we can say that this is the lingua of cockroach. Now see the diagrams of these all mouth parts. This is labrum or the upper lip of cockroach. After that, mandibles. One pair of mandibles are present in the cockroach mouth part. In the mandibles having two main regions, this is grinding region that can grind the food particles, and the another region that is incising region. So in the mandible parts or in the upper jaw having grinding part and the incising part. After that, the next is lower lip, this is labium or the lower lip, provide helps in the capturing of the food particles. In the lower lips having certain pulp, with the help of these pulp they can collect the food particles and enter, and that pass into the mouth. After that, the next mouth part, that is maxilla and the hypopharynx, that I am going to discuss. So this is all about the mouth parts. This is labrum, that is upper lip. After that, one pair of mandibles, and after that the next point is labium having the lower lip. After that, having the maxilla, that is lower jaw. From this maxilla arising some maxillary pulp. With the help of this maxillary pulp, they will capture their food particles. So this is the portion of the, this is the diagram of lower jaw. So this is all about the mouth parts of the cockroach. Now after that, I am going to discuss about the thorax region of the cockroach. This is all about head part of the cockroach. The next topic is thorax of cockroach, that I am going to discuss. Thorax region of the cockroach. In the thorax region of the cockroach, the thorax region of cockroach is divided into the prothorax, mesothorax and the metathorax. From each thoracic region, one pair of leg will arise in case of cockroach. Leg of cockroach. The leg of cockroach arise from the each thoracic region. The leg of cockroach having the following main parts. The leg of cockroach divided into the following main parts. Number 1, that is coxa. After that, trochanter. After that, femur. After that, tibia. After that, tarsus. So there are following 4 regions of the leg of the cockroach. अगर बात की जाए coxa की, in case of coxa having, this is the broadest region of the leg, that is coxa. This is the leg of cockroach and this is the broadest region of the cockroach leg. This is called coxa. The next region, that is trochanter, that is the small segment of the cockroach leg. After that, femur is the long region of the cockroach leg. After that, tibia is the longest region of the cockroach leg. After tibia, the next region, that is tarsus. This tarsus region divided into the 5 subsegments. These 5 subsegments are known as pretarsus. Tibia is the longest region. This is femur. This is trochanter. These are the following regions of the leg of cockroach. Beside the leg of the cockroach, from the mesothorax region, a wing arises which name is tegmen. After that, the next wing is hind wing. Hind wing provide the help in the flying of the cockroach, and the tegmen that do not provide the help in the flying of the cockroach, but it covers the abdominal regions of the cockroach body. Now the next topic is abdomen region of cockroach. Now I am going to discuss about the abdomen region. In the abdomen region having 10 major segments, it divides into the 10 segments. Overall number of segments in the cockroach body are 14 segments. One segment is the head region, 3 segments prothorax, mesothorax and the metathorax. Beside that, the 10 segment of the cockroach that is present in the abdomen region of the cockroach. If we observe the cockroach, then 9 segments are easily appear in the male cockroach, but if you observe this female cockroach, we can only see 7 segments, because the 7 segments cover the 8th, 9th and the 10th segment of the female. That is why in female only having 7 segments visible. After that, in case of cockroach, in case of both cockroach, male as well as female, in the male cockroach having and female cockroach having one pair of caudal style, that is finger like projection, that arise from the 10th segment of the cockroach. After that, in case of male, there is the recognitions of the male. If we see the male and female cockroach, in both the cockroach, in case of male cockroach having the anal style, it is only present in case of male cockroach as compared to female cockroach, and it is arise from the 9th segment of the male cockroach. So this is about the abdomen region of the abdomen region of the cockroach. Now the next is anatomy of cockroach that I am going to discuss. In the anatomy of cockroach, the first topic is digestive system of cockroach. If I am going to discuss about the digestive system of the cockroach, in the digestive system of cockroach, the digestive system of cockroach can be divided into the mainly three main regions. These regions are, number one is foregut, number two is midgut, and number three region is hindgut. First of all, I am going to discuss about foregut region. In the foregut region start from the mouth, and the mouth will opens into the pharynx region. Before this pharynx region, this is pharynx region. Before the pharynx region having the buccal cavity of the cockroach, in the buccal cavity of the cockroach having one pair of gland. This one pair gland is salivary gland. This is the one pair of gland. This is salivary gland of the cockroach. The salivary gland release some carbohydrate digesting enzymes. The salivary gland portion can be divided into the two major regions. The salivary gland that is present in the buccal cavity of the cockroach can be divided into the two main parts. Number one is salivary reservoir and number two is glandular part of the salivary gland. The salivary reservoir store the carbohydrate digesting enzymes, but the glandular part of the salivary gland release the carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Basically, these carbohydrate digesting enzyme may be the chitinase that can digest the chitin, and it can be the carbohydrases, it can be the amylases enzyme which can digest the different carbohydrate component of the food. After that, the buccal cavity open into the pharynx region. The pharynx region will be open into the crop. In this crop region is the site of the storage of food. After crop region, the next region, that is gizzard. In this gizzard having the some cutaneous plate, or you can say that cutaneous teeth. After that, this gizzard region, these are the following parts of the foregut, pharynx, crop and the gizzard. After gizzard, the next region, that region is the midgut region. This is foregut, this is midgut region. At the base of the gizzard or at the junction of the foregut and the midgut region having certain tubules like structure, these tubules are known as hepatic ceca. These hepatic ceca release some digestive enzymes or the digestive juice for the digestion of the food. After that, the next region is midgut region. This midgut region is that region where is the maximum absorption of the food and the digestion of food will take place. After the midgut region, the next region, that is known as hindgut region of the digestive system or the alimentary canal of the cockroach. In the hindgut region can be divided into the following main regions. Number one is ileum, after that colon, after that rectum, and the opening of rectum, that will be the anus. At the junction of the midgut and the hindgut, there is approximately 100 to 120 numbers of the Malpighian tubules. These are Malpighian Malpighian tubules. These Malpighian tubules are 100 to 120 in numbers. These Malpighian tubules provide help in the extraction. Exactly, these Malpighian tubules store the potassium chromate from the midgut of the cockroach. After that potassium urate will be converted into the uric acid and by the Malpighian tubule, and Malpighian tubule provide help in the extraction of the excretory waste of cockroach. After that, this is all about the digestive system. After that, now I am going to discuss about the circulatory system of the cockroach. This is anus. Now I am going to discuss about the blood vascular system of the cockroach. In the blood vascular system of the cockroach, having the blood of cockroach, that is hemolymph. In the hemolymph having two main components. Number one is plasma and the second is blood cells. These blood cells are also be known as hematocyte cell. These hematocyte cells do not carry the oxygen. The blood of the cockroach, that is known as hemolymph, it do not involve in the transport or exchange of the gases. The blood cells, that is the cell of the hemolymph, that name is hemocyte, it is phagocytic in action and it can provide the immunity to the cockroach. So this hemocyte is only phagocytic in action. It do not transport the oxygen, but it phagocytic in action. It can kill the pathogens if pathogens will enter inside the cockroach body. Beside that, in the cockroach having the heart, that heart of cockroach is 13 chambered. Cockroach heart is 13 chambered heart. In the body of the cockroach having 14 segments, except the head region of the cockroach, in each segment of the cockroach body having the heart. There are 13 chambered of heart of the cockroach. This 13 chambered heart of cockroach is mainly present in the pericardial sinus of cockroach. PCS, it means pericardial sinus of cockroach. The cockroach body can be divided into the three main regions. Number one is pericardial sinus, in which 13 chambered of heart of cockroach is present. Number two is perivisceral sinus, PVS, and the third region of the cockroach, that is PNS, perineural sinus. The heart of the cockroach, that is present dorsally in the cockroach, and the perineural sinus, that is present in the ventrally. So there are two surfaces of the cockroach body. One is dorsal surface, in which having pericardial sinus at the and we can say that the 13 chambered of heart of cockroach is dorsally present in the pericardial sinus. After that, this is the neural tube of the cockroach that is present in the perineural sinus, and in between the pericardial sinus and the perivisceral sinus having some pore. These pores are known as fenestrae, through which blood can easily enter. Beside that, in the contact of the heart having some heart muscles, which name is Alere muscles. the surrounding of the heart having the alveolar muscles. These muscles provide help in the blood circulation to the cockroach. These alveolar muscles, these are fan-like in structure, and these muscles provide help in the circulation of the blood. Beside that, in the heart, at the posterior end of the heart, having some pore which name is ostia. With the help of ostia, also these pores or the ostia also provide help in the blood circulation of the cockroach. In the respiratory system of the cockroach, having the well defined tracheal system. In the tracheal system open at the 10 pair of sparkles. These 10 pair sparkles, 2 pair sparkles are present in the thorax region and 8 pairs are present in the abdomen region. The first pair of sparkle that is present in the thorax region and the first pair of the abdomen do not possess any bristles. Exactly in case of the tracheal system of the cockroach, where the tracheal system open at the side of the body, where is pleurons are present. Mainly sclerites opens into the pleurons, that is the dorsal sclerites. These are open at the dorsal sclerites, in which having the cilia-like appearance, bristle-like appearance. These bristles are present, cilia-like bristles are present in the each opening of these sparkles. The main function of these bristles filter out the air. Where the bristles are present, exactly we know very well about the mechanism of the respiration. In the mechanism of the respirations, having two main processes, one is inspiration, another is expiration. Inspiration and the expiration. Inspiration takes place through these pair of the sparkles where the bristle-like appearance are present, but the expiration takes place at the first pair of the sparkles that is present in the thorax region. Expiration takes place through first pair of sparkles of the thorax region and first pair of the sparkles of the abdomen region. Beside that, through the all pair of sparkles, inspiration will take place. This is about the respiratory system of the cockroach. Now I am going to discuss about the reproductive system of cockroach.